Hey, Andy Brocklehurst here, and I'm really excited to show you this amazingly powerful new AI GPT that can generate cheat sheets that are of real value in under a minute. Yeah, under a minute. That's not a bold claim. I'm going to show you. First of all, though, let's talk about why you might want to do this. Let's go and take a look over here on Warrior Plus, and I just searched for the word cheat or cheat sheet. And you'll find that there are so many of these things. Look, this pack of 50 did over 100 units. That was 50 individual cheat sheets. Now, if you had to create 50 cheat sheets manually, that's quite a lot of work. With this, you do it in less than an hour. Go down the list and have a look at several others. This one did over 1,000 units. And if you actually look at some of the sales pages for these things as well, they actually show you what you're going to get on the page. And look, that cheat sheet is just basically a set of links and information that's about that thing and what the next step should be. What I've done is I have fed a GPT engine several high quality example cheat sheets. I've also explained to it the different ways that I need it to work depending on the subject matter. What I've ended up with is a GPT that can produce a quality cheat sheet on any niche topic. And when I say any, I mean any. So here we are. I'm inside of GPT 4.0. This is what you're going to get access to on the button below. I'm going to give you access to this GPT. Look at how simple this is. We come in here and we want to make a cheat sheet and we pick a topic. So let's do something with dog training related. Now, what I would say is niche it down. Don't just do dog training. You could just type dog training. It's going to be fairly generic. But pick a specific topic on dog training. So toilet training, a new puppy. Enter. Now it's going to go away. It's going to pull from its research and it's going to put together a quality cheat sheet of solid information, links, useful resources, and all that kind of thing. Exactly the kind of content you need for a cheat sheet. I'm going to let it produce this one in real time. Now, some of you will be saying, oh no, that's making HTML code. I don't know anything about code. Don't worry that it's code. I'm going to show you why we do this and why you don't need to worry. You don't need to understand anything it's producing. We just have to wait for it to finish. And when it's finished, we click this copy button here. See, I don't need to understand the code. Right, I'm going to minimize my ChatGPT session now. And I'm going to come back to my browser window. And I'm first of all just going to go to this free tool, which I talk about in the training. And I'm just going to paste the generated code in there and hit the run button. And I can see basically what the cheat sheet layout is over on this side. Now, if I just want to put it into a Word document or into a Google document, it's easier just to copy and paste from there. If I want to use it and embed it on a website, in a WordPress blog, something else, I might want to use the HTML. You get the choice. You can do either. This is what they look like when you drop them just into a document. Nice and basic. But you know what? Just a tiny bit of effort. And boom, you get something like this. I made this cover in Canva in about 5 minutes flat. You can tell I didn't spend a lot of time on it, but it doesn't matter. Standard copyright notice I give you in the training, so you can just copy and paste that in. There's your cheat sheet. And then I have a standard disclaimer that I also give you inside the training you can paste in. Boom. That is the cheat sheet done. I can add some affiliate links. I can tweet, which I did. I dropped my own links in and some other things in there as well. But basically, I spent about 3 minutes formatting it up and putting it together. In less than 10 minutes, start to finish, I had a fully formatted cheat sheet. I just had to go file, document, and now I can download this as a PDF ready to sell. I can get a Word document if I'm also going to offer PLR rights to it, giveaway rights, that sort of thing. This particular one I put on Gumroad last night. Pay up what you want, get it for free or even nothing. And any of you that want to do that, the link will be down below. You can go and get this sample cheat sheet and see for yourself how good these cheat sheets are that this thing produces. People can optionally pay me $10 and get the white label rights to it. And of course, I've got an upsell in there offering me another thing. So you imagine you could populate an entire Gumroad store just with cheat sheets in an afternoon and you'd have a complete business done. Cheat sheets make great lead magnets. They are the best lead magnet. The problem has always been creating them. You've got to do the research. You've got to format the information. You've got to put it together on a cheat sheet. And that still takes a lot of time. Not anymore. the core of what you need done in 60 seconds using the power of ChatGPT. Now, I tell you, you can go and try just going to regular ChatGPT and ask it to make you a cheat sheet. Look at what it produces. I promise you, you won't be impressed. But when you look at what this produces, because this has been trained on a cheat sheet model specifically, it's perfect. And guess what? You don't have to go and do all that research and prompt generation for yourself, because the price I'm asking to get access to this and all the video training, and I'm going to show you different ways to use cheat sheets. I'm going to show you how quickly you can put them together. I'll show you how I do my graphics. Everything's covered in the training in the thing. You're going to get all that as well for the ridiculous low price that you see on the button below. And that's a one-time price. This isn't a membership. It's not a subscription. You need to get this. This is the easiest way to produce quality content that you can sell or generate leads off. Hands down. Pick this up today on the button below. Thanks for watching.